3 days and 100 miles later, and still no kill. These are desperate times. A dry riverbed on the edge of their territory. The only animals here are giraffe, but these one-ton giants could kill a lion with a single kick. Lions seldom tackle such formidable prey, but this pride can't go on much longer without food. The whole pride must work together as a team if they're to succeed. Two lionesses lead the chase. Others race to cut off possible escape routes. The giraffe has the speed and stamina to outrun the pride. But it's being chased into a trap. Up ahead, the lead female waits. It's now up to her. Most lion hunts end in failure. But no lions fail more often than those that live in the desert. Once again, the pride must continue their search.